Okay, this is progress on my Philco model 42-380, and like I say, I just cleaned up the chassis a little bit so far and got the dial working a little bit. I replaced these rubber washers next to the tuner that mount the tuner to the bracket, and the tuner was so crooked that the flywheel was so crooked that the strings were crossing, but now I've fixed this now. Yeah, it's still at a little bit of an angle, but at least it's straighter, and the dial runs up and down. The dial pointer runs up and down its travel as you turn the flywheel back and forth manually. I have to restring the other dial cord. As you can see down there, it's a part that connects the tuning shaft over there to the actual flywheel. And now I'm going to turn over the chassis to show you. There's the recapping job. I replaced the wax capacitors with the yellow, also cleaned the band switches, and down there is the bakelite block, which I removed the old capacitors from the inside, but I just soldered in the new safety caps on the outside when I also resoldered the AC power cord. And then you can see the electrolytics down there, 2 of them, and then there's a third one way in there that's hidden that covers the third one. So it'll be interesting. It works pretty well, except that I'm having trouble with the AM band tuning with the manual tuning dial. I have to see if it might be the antenna coil or the band switches, or maybe it was just the dirty band switches and the cleaning fixed it. Anyway, so I'm listening to the Philco Model 90 Cathedral with the super antenna that I have. Listening to Toronto all the way from North Carolina. Anyway, hope you guys have a great night, and I'll report on further progress on this soon.